Hello and welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're taking a look at a single owner 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 HD AT4. It comes equipped with heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, a heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, dual zone climate controls, remote start, and a power sunroof. Convenience features include keyless entry with push button start, a memory driver's seat, a Bose audio sound system, heated power folding tow mirrors, a multi-pro tailgate, and wireless charging pad. Safety is no concern thanks to the equipped park assist, blind spot alert, forward collision alert, lane departure warning, a heads-up display, a rear view mirror camera, and automatic LED headlights. The touchscreen display allows for hands-free calling via Bluetooth connectivity while also showing the vehicle's navigation system, Sirius XM radio, and the 360-degree backup camera. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to click or call and one of our sales representatives will be happy to help.